Hey everyone, sorry that I have this weird line on my face from the window over there, but welcome to my channel. If you are new, I hope that you'll subscribe before you leave. If you are a current subscriber, I hope that you will click the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. And you can also leave me a thumbs up or some comments below if you like this video. This is going to be this is bothering me so much. This is going to be a what's in my hospital bag video. I'm probably going to post the what's in my baby's hospital bag video prior to this one. I did decide to separate them because I just thought together it would be way too long for one video. So I got this giant duffel bag because I would always rather have too much than too little. Ugh, it's like gray and like mint green and black. It's like, I don't remember what it was, like 30 gallons or something. It's huge and probably way more space than I actually need. But I was like, I just want to make sure I have room for everything. So I got that from Walmart. It also has wheels on the one end, which I thought was pretty cool. And it was only like 17 bucks, so why not? Anyway, I'm going to show you what is in my bag. There's a couple things I haven't actually put in the bag yet. So I'll start with those. This is a nursing cover. I got it from Amazon with a gift card that I got from my baby shower. It's like a navy blue and white fun little pattern on it. And it has like the little plastic thing in front so you can kind of see down there. I don't know how much I'm actually going to use this at the hospital, but I figured why not bring it just in case. I also got from one of my friends for, well, not really for my baby shower, but for my work baby shower, I guess. This Tender Care lanolin for your nipples in case they get like sore and cracked and stuff. I know that my hospital does provide that to you, but I have heard from other people that if you take the tube that they give you home with you, that they charge you for it. So I was like, I guess I'll just buy some anyway. So let's get into what is actually packed in my bag. Oh, there's so many things. Okay. Some of this stuff I got on Amazon, so if I can find it below, I'll link it for you. I got 3 pairs of these slip-resistant socks. I know that they give you, usually, I'm assuming, a pair at the hospital, but these are a little bit thinner. Generally, the ones that I've had, it came in a pack of 3. The ones that I've had from the hospital when I've had, like, surgery and stuff, they're just like too thick and my feet get really hot and then I don't want to wear them, so I figured that the lighter ones would be a better option. I also got 3 nursing bras from Amazon because I figured they were pretty inexpensive and they looked very comfortable. I learned in my breastfeeding class that apparently you shouldn't wear nursing bras that have underwire because the underwire can press on like a duct and make it get clogged or something. They mentioned that, so I wanted to get these because I do have one nursing bra that has underwire, but I wanted to get these because they're all like just soft, stretchy fabric, so they're super comfortable. It's basically, it feels like a sports bra, but you can, if I can get it. Let's just go up. Sorry, I haven't actually tried to take these down. Yeah. And it just comes down and you have a little strap and it just hooks back up on there. I have like this nude colored one, a black one, and like a light pink one. They all came together in a package. Super cheap. I tried them on. They do fit me. Their sizing is a little strange because they go by like band and cup size, but it's like 10 different sizes will fit you in one size of their stuff. So that's a little odd. I think I got like the biggest one Yeah, extra large, because I don't really have a large cup size, but I have a large band size. So I got the extra large. I tried them on. They do fit pretty comfortable. I feel like I'm going to use those fairly often. There are 2 items that are actually technically for the baby, but I put them in my bag because I had more room. I got this from a coworker. It was on my Amazon registry, and I think I'm probably going to try to use this for some pictures in the hospital. But it's this little, like, sweater sack thing, and you put them in here, and it has, like, a little hood on it, and it's just supposed to be, like, a big, oversized, comfy sack thing that looks really cute. So, hopefully use this for pictures, because I think it's adorable. I'm bringing a lot of clothes. So I have a sweatshirt that I got from Forever 21, super cheap. I have this Boohoo long sleeve shirt that has like moon, sun, and stars down the sleeve. I've had this for a while. If you've seen any of my Boohoo videos, you've already seen that shirt. This is just like a plain tank top. Plain black tank top. I was very indecisive on clothing. These are just like black, comfy, capri, yoga-ish pants. And these are from Torrid. They're just like an active wear legging that I've worn a fair amount. I'm also bringing 2 robes. This first one was in my one of my pink blush haul videos. This is like one of their nursing robes. And then I had a plain black robe that's like short sleeve that I got a couple years ago, so I'm going to bring that as well. Just to have something more to cover up if I'm nursing and there are a lot of people in the room and I don't want to be out there. You know what I'm saying. I'm also bringing 2 pairs of pajamas that I got from Adore Me. Again, if you've seen my Adore Me video, my most recent one, this is the purple pajamas, and then I also have this black one with these pants. I'm mostly bringing them just because they're super, super, super comfortable, and the tops are like tank tops, so that'll be easy to, you know, move around so I can nurse and all that stuff. So I'm bringing those. Yeah, like I said, a lot of this stuff has been in like other videos. That's why I'm not like showing you everything, because if you're that curious, you can go find that stuff. This is my toiletry bag that has most of my toiletries in it. Yeah, I got this from Amazon too. It's just like a pink little thing. You can hang it up on the door. I got like deodorant, some makeup wipes in case I decide to put on makeup, which I think is very unlikely. If anything, I'll probably put on like concealer and mascara or something just so I don't look super pale and terrible. Body wash, some lotion. Oh, this is an empty bottle that I plan on putting my face wash in. I haven't done that yet, but I need to. Extra pairs of contacts if I want to put my contacts in. A little bottle of hairspray. And then in the bottom is shampoo, conditioner, toothpaste, and a toothbrush. So that's pretty much all of that. The only stuff I really need to add to this are going to be like hair ties, a hairbrush, and then my makeup, whatever I decide to bring makeup wise. Like I said, I don't know that I'm really going to use it that much, so I might not bring like my usual range of things. I might just bring a couple things. And then what else is in here? Oh, nursing pads. I got these from Amazon too. These are the like reusable ones, which I've never had to use these, so I don't know how they will do. But they came in a little mesh bag so they don't get lost. And then these are 3 pairs of underwear that I got from Amazon. I know that they say that you should buy like crappy underwear that you don't care about. So I got these. They're very like high-waisted. Ooh, focus. High-waisted. They're like microfiber, so they're super stretchy and soft. My concern, because I know they give you have the option for like those mesh underwear at the hospital. I'm just worried that they're not going to have a size that fits me, because my butt is very large, and that's mostly what I'm concerned about. I don't care really how they feel. Like, if they have them in my size, I will wear them and just save these and use these whenever. But I don't know. See, that's a concern, being a plus-size woman. Like, you want to make sure that they're going to have stuff that will fit you and you're not, like, just screwed because you're large. And, what else is in here? Okay, so I'm not sure about this, and you guys can tell me in the comments below, because I am a first-time mom, so this is all based on stuff that I've seen or read. I'm not sure if I'm actually bringing this or not, but I have some towels, like, obviously, like, bigger ones for the shower, and then, like, a smaller one, and then a washcloth. I remember somebody's video, and I don't remember who it was, but they were saying that the towels they give you in the hospital, like, aren't very big, and they're not very absorbent, so you don't, I don't know, like, it doesn't feel as nice, so she was bringing her own. I'm still on the fence on if I'm bringing these or not, because I don't want to bring anything that's completely unnecessary, but I don't know. I don't know about that. So if you have any thoughts or experiences on that subject, let a girl know, because I don't know. But the last thing, the last thing in here is, again, for the baby that just didn't fit in the baby's bag, is this really cute, it's an 8 in and a 9 muslin blanket with little hearts on it. It has like a mint green trim. I just think it's cute. I don't know if I'm actually going to need this blanket in the hospital at all, but I figured why not bring it anyway, just in case. Again, like, maybe if I need it for pictures or something. I don't know. But that is everything in my hospital bag. I'm also going to bring my glasses too. I don't think I mentioned that earlier, but that's just so that if I don't feel like putting contacts in, I can just leave glasses on, because I know you're not going to be getting a lot of sleep. So I might not want to commit to putting in contacts, because I wear the daily contacts. So if I wear them and take them out and don't wear them very long, I'm going to be like, well, that was a waste. So that's it, I believe, for everything that's in my hospital bag. I'm not going to do a what's in my husband's bag, because honestly, like, he has t-shirts, shorts, and, like, deodorant and body wash. Like, he doesn't need a lot of stuff. I'm also planning on bringing a camera. I'm planning on ordering it. I am pre-filming some of these videos so that way, if I go into labor soon, I will still have stuff to post for you guys, and there's not just, like, a lull of nothing. But tomorrow is Cyber Monday when I'm filming this, and I'm planning on getting a new laptop and, like, a good DSLR camera. So I'm planning on bringing the camera with me to the hospital to try to take some pictures myself of the baby that are, like, nicer, just to have, because, you know, it's our first baby. I want to make it a thing and have lots of memories and pictures and stuff. And I just feel like that is going to be better than just taking pictures on my phone. That's just my preference. Whatever. Anyway, so I'm hoping to find some really good deals tomorrow. If you know of any, this video will go up after I post this. so it doesn't really matter. But I did ask people on my Facebook and I think on Twitter if they knew of any sales, and I haven't heard of anything, but I'm planning on looking at Best Buy and Amazon and kind of seeing what the best deals are tomorrow. So that's all that I'm bringing to the hospital. If there's anything else like detrimental that you think I should bring with me, let me know in the comments below. But I hope this video was helpful for someone, because I know I watched a lot of what's in my hospital bag videos because I had no idea what I was doing. First time mom, very clueless. But thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.